Okay, so it really looks like the market might be starting a point of a rally. So place an order pretty close to the market price, and we'll see if we can get in. I'm going to make the market move to me a little bit, but I'll show you what we're looking at here, which is the strength of the moving average indication is weakening. The short-term directional analysis has begun indicating a long move. When the screen scrolls through, I will show you how the TSR has been diminishing. Oh, and as a matter of fact, the Excalibvr column just became long. So for this scalp, I'm in the right here. You can see that the TSR itself actually just turned green for the first time, and the solution is now 0. The market is over its longer term averages, as denoted by the stars surrounding the Excalibvr column. But also what you'll notice, what I was looking at before that, is how quickly and strong the position's momentum, the strength momentum indication was moving inward and diminishing. So all of that together led me to the point where I was anticipating a long move, which you can see is going on here now. And because of where we are, I believe Excalibvr may be delivering a long order. So I'm going to try to jump in with a few more contracts and see if we can weight this position a little bit. There you go. In order to set this up properly, I will set an average point. No, that's not what I wanted. Well, that will probably change. And in this case, I'm actually not going to set an average point. I'm just going to cover the position right now. And we will see what happens, number one with Excalibvr, but number two with the position as a whole. I'm going to also set up the position to stack if we can get there. Okay, well, because of how Excalibvr changed fields in the middle here, we're going to have to see the market move a bit more before an actual order is delivered. But you'll notice that I am long now at a point where the market is over its longer term averages. The TSR has turned green, the short term directional analysis is full and green, and now matching the directional analysis tool, while the moving averages have been weakening very quickly here, at some points even more than a single digit a minute. So we are in a very good position here to be going long. I would like to be able to cover the position with some profit quickly, but what you'll notice is that we've had a very strong move upward, and even covering the position where it is may be too close to the market price, because you can always assume a retraction or a condensing period before the market really continues its move. And being that we got in so far into that move, it may show a condensing period and take this position out. If that happens, I'm going to try to get in at a better price. Okay, so in this case, I'm going to look to get in at a better price. Okay, I want to make sure that I'm in this. So unfortunately, I'm going to have to get a worse price. But I now have an average point, and we'll place a closed position order. It's really not the way I saw myself taking this trade, but it is what it is. And this will now have to move up. Now, a couple of things to bear in mind here. First of all, is we are now about a point and a half away from the high of the day. That meaning there's going to be a lot more selling pressure than there may have otherwise because we're reaching a new top. Second thing to consider is that, well, I guess it's not that late in the morning, but it is a bit late in the morning. It's about 10:30, so an hour after trading began, and the average trading volume is no longer rising. So it may be difficult for the market to break through that high, and it may just take some time. But if the position does get averaged down, I'll be more conservative about how we get out of the position.